I live in a state that requires a front plate, and it's annoying, but what are you gonna do? I'm not going to drill holes in my front bumper, I'll tell you that much. I got this car about 4 months ago, and I was very happy that it did not have holes in the front bumper already. But since I do need to have the front plate on to avoid, potentially being harassed, especially if I'm zipping around a little bit, why give them an extra excuse? We went with the old standby, Sto N Sho. So that will go on underneath the front of the car. Whoop, and stick up in front. It'll hang pretty low, but my car's not lowered, so it shouldn't cause me any problems. Seems like if you're lowered, it might scrape on stuff, but we shall see. I don't really need to step-by-step this for y'all. The directions are pretty simple. The install is pretty simple. If you get one of these and the right model for your car, you will be able to install it. It will not be hard. I got me a little fake plate cover there just for the video, of course. It's not my real plate. These are for the front, like so. Shorter ones in the back. Tighten that down. You go pretty gentle on it because it's a plastic panel, so you can definitely strip these holes if you are too rough with it. I'm gonna leave it just a touch loose and then check the fitment of the plate to make sure it's not crooked or anything so that I can kind of wiggle it, straighten it if I need to. Seems like there might be rain coming.
Where's the other nut?
Yep, it's pretty straight. Just needs to be tightened down. And it's raining. I guess technically my spot's dry, but whatever, I'll just wait a little bit. Just feels like swamp ass out here. How hot is it? Oh, it cooled down a whole like 5 degrees. Look at that. It's only 99 degrees now. Woo! Woo! Okay, the bracket is on there tight. It is pretty low on there, but I think I'm okay with that. I'm more okay with that than I am putting screws in my bumper, so let's give it a little test in the driveway. Pretty close, but I think I'm gonna be all right. It does say the bracket reduces your clearance by 1/2 inch. Since my car is not lowered, I don't think it'll be a problem for me, but I do need to go check it on a parking block because I suspect that I will not be able to clear parking blocks anymore. I had previously noticed that my front lip will go just barely over most parking blocks without touching, so I don't think that's gonna be the case anymore, but let's go find out. Definitely hit that. I better be careful. It comes very close. Very, very close. It will have to be a little bit more careful. So yeah, pretty happy with it overall. We'll see how it holds up. And if I ever have problems, I'll definitely post another video about it. that is going to do nicely. All right, and that's the very first part I put on this car. So stay tuned if you want to see some more stuff coming up. I got some parts waiting. I might be waiting until it cools off a little bit before I start messing with this car more, but there is more stuff coming. Bye-bye.